Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes of 3.
Today's topic is worrying.
You're a worrywart.
I am a worrywart.
Worrying, obviously, this is just such a generic topic. It really is.
It is.
We probably shouldn't even do a 3 at 3 on this, should we?
Well, no, because it's something everybody does.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
We're just going to go with it.
So we'll do it anyhow, just for you guys and gals out there.
That's
right.
So
we got a Bible verse here. It's Matthew 6:25 through 27, and we don't have it.
Let me see if I can.
We don't have it pulled up here. Don't worry about it, honey.
Okay.
It's okay. You guys can look it up and do your astute duty there. But basically, you can't really add 1 cubit to your height. You can't add an extra hair to your head. There's nothing that you can really do with worry. The only thing that it'll do is stress you out and put you in a negative state of being. Okay? And that's not to mention that the problem in your life is, that's not to mean that your problem in your life isn't real. It probably is. It's very real. Everybody has different troubles at different tiers in life, Someone who has nothing, they're broke, and they're worrying about where they're going to get their next meal, and that rich guy way up on Wall Street or something, he's worrying about what's going to happen the next time the Dow dips, right? Or how many people he's going to have to lay off because of such and such, right? Things like that, or a workman's comp issue or something like that, And so worrying can happen at all sorts of different levels, but you can't let that eat at you. You can't let it eat at you day in and day out and get all anxious and anxiety about it. And if you find yourself worrying, you need to find a way of coping with that worry.
Right. And I'd say worrying can be cured with being proactive. So if you are being proactive, if you're worried about your finances, can you do something to make some extra money? Is that getting a second, working a second shift job? Or is it, doing something on the side where you can just make a little extra cash for yourself, kind of being a freelancer?
Maybe you need to be more frugal. And that's causing you worry.
Yeah, that's another proactive way. You could look at where your money's going out and where you could tighten the belt on that. Perhaps something you're worrying about is out of your control. It's perhaps somebody in your life, you love them, but you can't do anything about their situation. If you are a person of faith, the best remedy for that is prayer, because really, you personally don't have a way of stepping in and speaking into that situation, perhaps. Yeah,
so, worrying never helped anybody. And again, I know this is a generic topic, and we're going to touch on this in a lot more 3 at 3s. But that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really hope you enjoyed it.
And thank you for joining us.
And like always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.